2015, jo, kaže. Kad se udubim u bit, imam osjećaj da sam samuraj. Podsjeća me na yin yang, atmosfera mač mi daj, pa da pokažemo potrebnu struku. Svakom protivniku pravimo muku. Samuraj bez ruku je kao život bez muzike. Samuraj bez ruku je kao život bez družine. Svi bežu širokom luku, pa ajde kružite. Ako se desi da priđete, može samo da buljite. Ovde se ne radi o fizičkoj snazi, znači samuraj sve opaža. Svaki mit spazi, svaki pokret i šum samuraj je čuo. Malo sam preterao, nije toliko dobar sa sluhom, ali radi se o koncentraciji i pažnji. Nije sve u parama, nije mani za trap me mani, jer imam svoju granicu. Volim new school, ipak pusti old school matricu. Old school samplovani beat ima dušu. Old school samplovani beat ima dušu. Old school samplovani beat je čista ljubav za svaki svirani, pa nije tako buraz. To je moje mišljenje, al da menjam temu. Tematika o pesmi je slobodna, može o svemu. Volim kad se preferira pozitiva, jer pozitiva jednako produktivan.
Unlimited magic, yeah. Hold on, I ain't so low, oh no. Go home, no host for you, you gon' get rolled on. I'ma go on every single beat, bring it on the heat. Take a seat, have a sneak peek at the most talented. I silence them, I smile at them. My side has been wild since I started busting my summer tracks. Hard like a lumberjack, having fun with rap. It's a fact that my beats intact from a living coming back. Yeah, I ain't fucking around. I'm the king of the underground. Give me my crown, how does it sound? Unlimited, the beat killer. Nobody is iller, no fucking body is realer. I'm like a Godzilla, I'm huge and bitter, and you should consider me for your leader. Cause I lit a fire under your ass, bastards. My rap shit is extra fantastic. You can get your ass kicked and get your gasket filled like the Raptors basket in 2006. I'm getting in the mix, but I ain't showing all my tricks. You can suck my dick if you think that I stink. You can bring half of the shit that I can, so shut up, or I will bust in there and tell your whole fucking block up. Tell your pussy friends to back the fuck up. I ain't playing, bitch, get a tape the fuck up. You fucking fuck up, you can't do shit right. Fuck the bitches, I like it when her pussy tight. That's my type, not them hoes who got banged by the bros in their assholes. Fast forward, if you don't like my shit, but I know you like it, cause my rapping legit. And I know you listening, unlimited is unheard of. But every single track is a motherfucking murder. Lift your shirt up, I wanna see them tits. I know you are a lady, but can you swallow my kids? I know you are a lady, but when you poppin' them pills, you turn into a bad bitch who only wants to get filled. You only wanna get killed if you stand in front of me. Suddenly, everybody asking like, how you been? This is obscene. I should be treated like a king, because I'm playing this game like I'm wearing 23.